Okay, go. Millie can do a somersault. What's your trick called? What's that? Jeez. What's that trick called that you're doing? What's all over your face? Whoa, that was a good one. Yeah, good job. Whoops. Whoa. You flipped over. Ta-da! Okay, one more time. Maybe not right next to the wall. Okay, can you come say cheese and show me how old you are? Whoa. Okay, how old are you? Millie. Whoa. How old are you? Hey, look at Mommy. How old are you? No? The somersault marathon. Oh! Oopsies.